Okay, this is a big number. It would come out to 1.159 million. You would put in $18,000, okay?
Okay, wow.
And if you put it in the stock market, it would come out to $96,850. $19,800 is what you would put in over that time, and it would come out to $106,500.
That's a lot of money we're missing out on, that's for sure.
And if you invested in the stock market, it would come out to $116,000.
Help my mindset a little bit.
There we go. Welcome to the Factory of Sadness. Today we are going to go out and we are going to ask people about the habits that they have and what they spend on those habits. Let's see, do people go and get coffee every day from a cafe? Do they smoke cigarettes? Whatever their habits are, the money that they take every month, if they put that into the stock market and that compounded over years and years and years until their retirement, what would that become? Today we're going to go find that out. Do you have any habits that you spend on regularly?
Yeah, of course.
What are they?
My girlfriend.
That is not true. You spend more money on your other hobbies.
How much do you spend per week on it?
I don't know, 20 bucks?
Okay, 20 bucks a week. So let's say, so $80 in a month?
Sure.
Okay. How much do you said nicotine and alcohol are your thing. So how much do you think you spend per month on one of the two or both, whatever you want to do?
Both combined,
Yeah.
probably a rough 300 a month.
Okay. Is it something that you want to stop or slow down on?
I'm going to slow down on the alcohol eventually. Nicotine is close out the door almost.
Oh, awesome.
Yes.
Good for you. Is there something that you spend on regularly like that?
Typically coffee, yeah, in the morning.
What do you think you spend per month on that?
Oh, geez. Probably anywhere from 30 to 50 bucks.
Okay.
Well, we both spend a lot of money on coffee, that's for sure. I know my wife's a big fan of the Summer Shandy from Line and Google, so we usually spend a lot of money on that. That'd be nice to get rid of, but, no guarantees.
Okay, so why don't we take the coffee and the Leinenkugel and put those together of what you spend on that a month? What do you think?
Oh, I don't know.
Ballpark it.
Maybe 50, 60 bucks a month at least.
All right.
Definitely coffee every morning.
Every morning.
Yes.
Do you know how much you spend per week on that?
Probably $20.
$20 a week?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have anything like that?
Yeah, definitely coffee, I would say. I'm a big coffee drinker, so that's something I spend my money on a lot.
How much do you spend per month on it?
Definitely at least like $60.
Okay.
Not bad, but enough.
Okay. So I'm going to pull out a compounding interest calculator.
Okay.
And what it's going to do is kind of show you if you put that to work in the stock market, what you would get at some point down the road. What do you think?
Sure.
I like that. I'd love to know how
absolutely.
much more
Okay.
money we could have.
All right. So those of you out there, we're gonna put this over the screen. But let's see. All right. So how old are you?
40.
40. So let's say you have 20 years of work left.
Sure.
All right. So how old are you?
I'm only 22.
22. So what age are you gonna work to?
Probably till 55.
Okay. So let's say, how old are you?
I'm 34.
Oh, I'm 34 too. So what are you gonna work to? How many more years are you gonna work?
Probably another 30.
30? All right, let's put in here 30. Sure. All right, how old are you?
30.
30, so let's say you retire in 30 years safely? Okay, so how old are you?
I'm 54.
54, so what do you have, 50? Call it
So call it
How many
70
years?
when I retire.
70? What do you,
So 16
14 years,
years.
16 years? All right, let's do 16 years. How many more years do you plan on working?
Oh, probably at least another like 30. Yeah.
30. The stock market does on average 9.9% per year over a long period of time. So I'm going to throw that in as a return. I'm going to put in here $80 per month. Okay. So you contribute over the next 20 years $19,200, okay?
Okay.
That's going to come out if you put it in the stock market to $54,363. What do you think about that?
What does she think about it?
What does she think about that?
I'd like to use that money in other ways.
Bet you would.
Okay, this is a big number. Are you ready? So you would put in $133,000 in total. So if you put in $300 a month, that's what the total putting it into the market would be, okay?
Wow.
It would come out to 1.159 million.
Wow.
It's a lot of money, isn't
That
it?
is a lot of money.
And you think about it as, oh, it's $300 a month, it's not bad. But when you put it in the stock market and you just let it start spiraling on each other, it comes to a big number, huh?
Yes.
So if you did that, $50 every month for the rest of your working career, you would put in $18,000, okay?
Okay, wow.
And if you put it in the stock market, it would come out to $96,850. What do you think about that?
That's surprising, but yeah.
Compounding interest is powerful, huh?
I know it is definitely powerful,
is.
yeah.
Makes
It
you think
is.
twice about your coffee in the morning, doesn't it?
Exactly. I know sometimes you look at the change and it's just change, but
yeah.
it can add up
Absolutely.
over time.
Absolutely, the little things.
Exactly.
You think $50 a month? That's not that much.
Yeah, exactly. So, but that's great to see that
Yeah,
though.
it
At
is.
least
It's cool. It's eye-opening, you know. Let's say, what do you want to say? $55 a month?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, 55. Okay,
Oh wow.
I know. 19,800 is what you would put in over that time, and it would come out to 106,500.
That's really cool. That's awesome.
What do you think about that?
I think that's a lot of money we're missing out on. That's for sure.
That's a good one. That's a very good one.
Yeah.
So all you'd have to do is take that money and put it in the stock market instead, or an investment account or whatever,
Right.
and there you go.
Yeah. I mean, that's what we're trying to do, especially me being a teacher. I mean, all the money we can get is a good thing. So,
What do you teach?
middle school.
Okay. All right, that's pretty good. $15,360 is what you are going to spend if you do that every day, every week for the rest of your working life, right?
Yes.
It would come out to $34,216.64. It's basically double if you put it into the market. What do you think about that?
Power of compounding is awesome.
Power of compounding. Would you rather have your coffee?
Yes.
I agree. So you would contribute a total of $21,600.
Wow.
That's what you would spend on your coffee per month,
Oh
okay?
my God. Okay.
And if you invested it in the stock market, it would come out to $116,000.
Well, I need to start switching up real soon because that's looking good. It looks look real
It's
good.
shocking
yeah.
because you look and say, oh, it's only $60 a month. That's not
Yeah,
bad.
right?
When you put it in the stock market,
You're
it compounds
right.
on itself.
Yeah,
Makes you think twice about your morning coffee, huh?
it does. It does.
It does.
Yeah.
It's interesting to see.
Yeah, it really is. Well, thanks. That
Thanks.
helped my mindset a little bit.
There we
Yeah.
go. So it was pretty clear that everybody kind of has something that they spend on regularly, and that's not a bad thing. We need to make sure in all of this, even when we start seeing these big numbers of compounding, that you do not deprive yourself of life. Don't stop going and getting coffee in the morning, but maybe tailor it back a little bit. We also need to recognize, not just for our habits, the power of compounding interest and how important it is to start investing as early as possible. Those numbers seriously add up. So in the link, there is a compounding interest calculator. Click that and throw in your own numbers. And tell us in the comments what you would be saving over the duration of your working career. We did a video on retirement. We talked to people how they were preparing for retirement. Go watch that video right here. See you guys next time.